Munini wa mutongoria kiama-ini kia Jubilee Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i nĩokĩrĩire thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kũrũmĩrĩra kuongerereka kwa mbatũni cia nyanake iria ikoretwo ikĩhithũkĩra atongoria, mũtugo ũrĩa rĩu ũingĩrĩtio nginyagia makanitha-inĩ. Kũringana na Matiang'i akĩaria kanitha-inĩ wa Catholic wa St Stephen wa Gũthũ itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kanunga kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, akinyĩrĩirie atĩ mũtugo ũcio nĩ njama ya thirikari kũguoyohia mũingĩ nĩguo kũremwo nĩ kwĩyaria mbere ya kambĩni cia gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka tũrorete.
It is by design to cause fear. It is by design to intimidate Kenyans and to begin to instill fear so that people don't express themselves. I was in Kisii last week. The kind of madness going on there is shocking. Elected leaders, an elected leader like an MCA, elected, is attacked by thugs in broad daylight. 7 days later, when I went to see him in hospital, the county police commander had not been there. 7 days later, and all that is happening at the county headquarters.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu nĩorotete minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ akiuga nĩonanĩtie wega kũremwo nĩ wĩigĩrĩrĩki ũrĩa ahetwo wa kũgitĩra mũingĩ wothe wa bũrũri, mĩario ĩrĩa ĩkĩrĩtwo hinya nĩ Jeremiah Kioni.
We elected watu wa wash na we also elected goons. Ile bunge iko na chiefs wa goons. So when you start complaining about goons, now some goons are already members of parliament, it's a very dangerous life that we are having as a country. And for us to get ourselves out of that mess, we need to be very careful as to how we vote come 2027.
We are a democracy. We will always argue. We will always have differences of opinion. But we should manage ourselves responsibly. That is not the way to manage a country. Now we are scaring investors, we are scaring people who like to put resources in our country. How on earth are we going to generate employment if we don't manage these things? And you cannot tell me, I have been a minister of security, you cannot tell me that the elaborate security infrastructure we have in the country does not know what is going on. Somebody is looking the other way. And that nonsense is going on around.
Atongoria acio ningĩ nĩmagithĩtie kĩene budget ya mwaka ũyũ makiuga thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩhingĩte matũ na gũthiĩ na mbere na kũritũhĩria mũkenya ngarama ya ũtũũro kumana na magoti manene.
Including the finance bills that have been done in this country have been punitive to Kenyans. The one that was it's now on the table in parliament is no different. The fact that Kenyans are not demonstrated does not mean that they have accepted the budget. It is a demonstration that they have given up on this government. Wao wanagojea siku ya uchaguzi wapeleke watu nyumbani.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kanunga kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njaũ ya Kĩnuthia.